First thing, how does this move align with your long-term life goals? Where does it fit? How does it fit? What do you imagine for your life in the next 3 years, 5 years, 10 years, and more, if you want to get that far? And how does this move align with getting to these goals? It's also important to take into account if you are in a family situation, if you have kids, if you have a spouse or an extended family, how these goals apply also for people in your family. This is super important because ultimately moving abroad is a huge life change moment with a lot of investment in energy, time, financially. So it's really important that you're doing this and this aligns with what you want out of life. Also, what is really important and has to do with this step is, what are you moving for? So what do you want to accomplish with the move? Be as specific as possible. What do you expect there? Because very often we focus on why we want to move, and that is part of the equation, but it's not the whole equation. And believe you me, knowing what you want to move for is super important, because there will be hills and valleys, and during the valleys of your emotional roller coaster, you want to know what the hell you're doing this for. So it's really important to have this clear, very clear, and be able to articulate it very, very well. The what fors can be different for different people in your family, so that's okay as long as they are consistent and they are clear and known. Also, when you want to get a little bit more specific of your move abroad, is where do you want to move?